Hello. Welcome to my channel, Atanaso Studio. Today we are going to learn how to use fold patterns to create imposition in Kodak Preps. So to do that, first let's add our stock. So assuming this is our stock, so you come to layout. Under layout you see fold patterns. You select fold patterns. We are doing 8 pages to view, which will give us 16 in a section. So 16 in a section. Four by 2. So the paper size, we need to change the paper size. The final size of the artwork is A5, which is 148 by 210. With this, the fold pattern is going to pick it up 148 by 210. So we have our imposition. Let's close our gaps. So we've created an imposition scheme using a fold pattern. So this is our page 1, and it's showing a perfect bound imposition scheme. You can easily change this from perfect binding to saddle stitch with just a click. You come here, first you go to parts, under products, come to binding style, then saddle stitch. You click OK. You see the gaps have automatically closed. When you are doing perfect binding, let's see, the gaps opens automatically, and the gaps opens to suit what we've done at our settings. So let's go to edit, preferences, and you will see that we are saying that if it's perfect bound, it should be 7 mm. Let's make the head trim 5 mm, the face trim 5 mm, the front trim 5 mm, the spine lip 1.5 mm. We click OK. So we are changing to saddle stitch. That's how our saddle stitch looks like. Perfect bound. This is how our perfect bound looks like. So we can add other pages, sections to it. So we have this, that is. So this will give us a total of 80 page. This is an 80-page brochure using a fold pattern to create imposition scheme. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go to Telegram and search for Atanaso Studio and subscribe as well.